YouTube, what is up? So I got my AirPod Pros 2 today. Pretty excited about them, so I'm gonna unbox them, get them connected, kind of get my thoughts and impressions. Let's get into it. AirPod Pros 2. Let's get these things unboxed. Let's go ahead and do the pull tabs right here. No one wants to see all that, right?
All right.
Okay, designed by Apple in California. Usual books. It's got some instructions, the different ear tip sizes and all that happiness. Happy. And here's the AirPod Pros 2. And what else is in the box? You got cable, USB Type-C to Lightning, and also new this year is you get an extra pair of extra small ear tips, small ear tips, large ear tips, and then the mediums are installed on the device. Okay, let's get these bad boys unwrapped. Now they do have a new case design this year. They have got nice and clean compared to my others. I want to do a comparison of the two. If you guys got any questions or anything about the new ones, hit me up in the comments. You know, some type of testing or something that you want me to do, as long as it's not too crazy.
You're crazy, man.
So we got the new case design, and it's, you know, Lightning, but it's got speaker holes because you got the whole Find My. You can now find your case. It'll make a noise, and which is going to be awesome. And then you got a little lanyard thing here, and yeah, everything else looks exactly the same. And pop them open. And these are also different compared. Now it's the same type of design for the most part, except the grills are placed different and the sensors are different. They're doing like skin detection for your ears instead of like a heat detection, because I guess, you know, when you had them like in your jeans pocket, they would still be playing or something like that. What else? Yeah. Ooh, it made a noise. It's probably looking to, yeah. There's the animation, and makes a little noise saying it's connected. Media, play, pause, all that good stuff. All right.
Stop it.
So let's go ahead and, I don't know, I'm popping them in there, man. I'm gonna try these things out because I'm ready to rock and roll. Noise cancellation is supposed to be twice as better. Whoa. They kind of started off with noise canceling. That's not too bad, I guess. Squeeze for transparency. Got transparency mode. Transparency mode's always been good on an Apple product, but this one, it sounds good. It sounds like I'm just talking, and I can hear there's no echoey, you know, synthetic, nothing. It sounds very natural. Okay, so what are we going to start off with here? Let's go into YouTube Music. I'll stick around. Okay, we'll do that. They sound a lot better. Wow. Yeah. It's a little bit more punchier than the other ones. I've heard that the all-around sound is a lot better on these, and they are. Let's get a little bit of bass. Okay. Not the best bass in the world, but it's better. Yeah, they sound excellent. You know, would I like them a little louder? Sure. Who wouldn't? But, you know, ear health and all that happiness, they don't, you know, Apple health, ear health, so they're not going to be, but the sound, the bass is richer. You know, it's fuller. You know, they have the whole spatial audio where you can, you know, scan your ears and stuff like that. For one, you got the MagSafe. It's got a MagSafe wireless charging. I believe last year came out with the regular AirPods Pro. They changed the case. But when I had because I had got mine on launch day, they didn't have that. So let's check that out. Make a neat little chime when you go to put them on there. Did you guys hear that? Ting. That's kind of cool. But yeah, no, the MagSafe is on there. It's holding it. Also, you'll be able to charge with your puck from your watch. Well, it's not that strong. Now, just out of curiosity, I wanted to check the magnets on the back. And I don't even, well, oh, there you go. There's the magnets. Let's see, what do we got here? Oh, that's the front. That's the front. There's all kinds of magnets up front. On the back. Man. Wait, do I have my, I don't know. I do. I do have my other AirPods here. Don't mind these. These are like nasty and dingy. So let's check out the magnets here. See, Gen 1s. Gen 1's down here without the MagSafe charging. And then here with the MagSafe charging and the puck charging and all of that. Lots of extra magnets. Lots of extra magnets on this puppy. What about the front? Front's got the same type of magnets. Magnets to hold in the AirPods and then to shut the case. AirPods, lid on the case. But AirPod Pros have probably one of my favorite Apple products. I was more excited for these than the actual iPhone 14. Improved sound, and they had me at, finding my case. So if you like tech and tech videos and the accessories that go along with your tech, won't you check out this video? And a sub to the channel, well, that would be swell. Peace and love, y'all.